Well, here it is. This is 6 months of hard work from John's Body Shop by Nicollet, Minnesota. Old Janice's F5 green. And this car is straight. I just don't even have words for how awesome this color and this car is out here in the sun. I've been using a lot of patience. And I got to keep using patience and keep doing good work on this car. Oh, that is beautiful. A lot of wet sanding. There's a gal here that Brooke has done. She did the paint, clear, wet sand, and buff on this car, and it is just, I don't even know what to say. She nailed it, that's for sure. And John had his hands in this car too, with all the gaps. Everything is just right. All those beautiful Charger lines, they are so straight. Well worth every penny. Yeah, I've not included my labor in this car, but I'll let you know what I got into it in a later video. There it is. Better than new. 69 Charger RTSE. The 440 car. Beautiful 440 in this thing. You can hear that on earlier videos. Yeah. Just can't get enough of looking at this thing. I got a feeling that's going to be a lot of the fun of it. Just sitting back and looking at it when it's done. They're beautiful cars. Yeah. That F5 picks up all the green of the trees. Everything around it. I don't see any modeling. I don't see any bullseyes. There are no streaks. There is nothing to complain about in the finish of this car. So it's on to the headliner. That's what I just am dropping off today, is the headliner and all the parts. And then they'll do the glass. And we do the heater. We'll do the dash next, after the headliner. It'll get the new dash, heater box, all that stuff. And then the glass and all the trim, which has already been fitted. The glass hasn't, but the trim has already been fitted. And onward. It should be back home in a week or two. Alright, a good jumping off point. Thanks for watching, guys and gals.